Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. Today we'll be having a look at the Panasonic hairdryer. It's the model ND61. It's a 2000 watt hairdryer, so I thought I'll just show it to you in case you're planning to buy one. This is what the box looks like, the back of the box, and the side. So on the side it says an MRP of 2,695, but I got it for about 2,100 on Amazon.in. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's open it up. You can use the link to buy it. It will help me out also. So there's a warranty card, there's a user's manual, and that is it. So on the side here it says Asia, ME and Russia. There. So this is what the hairdryer looks like. Sort of looks used to me, I don't know. Maybe somebody returned it. So let's just plug it in and check it out. It's a removable, some sort of concentrate of air. This is where the hot air comes out of. This is the fan. And there's the switches. So 0 is off, 1 would be cool air, second would be medium hot, and 3 would be the hottest. And it folds up into a small size. The cord is pretty long, so should be sufficient for all purposes. So guys, I have attached my power meter and I have attached a thermal sensor over here in the front, so we can monitor what temperature it would be blowing the air at. So right now the room temperature is 25. Let's just switch it on. So this is at the 0 setting where cool air is coming. It's supposed to be the cool air, but you can get a sense of the sound also. It's taking 180 watts. About 33 degrees Celsius, 34, but it feels sort of cool. There is a bit of warm air coming. 32, 33. Now let's go to the second setting. So 850 watts. So we see a temperature of about 49. Let's go higher. This is the maximum setting. You can get a sense of the sound also. And the wind blowing is quite fast. I can just show it to you. It's really hot. But the power consumption is just at 1622 watts. Let's check what's the voltage right now. So we are at 221 volts from the power socket. So at that, it's consuming 1626 watts. On the side it says at 220 volts it will take 1700 watts, so it seems to be accurate. So if the voltage is at 230 volts it will give 1850, 240 volts will be 2000 watts. So what they are saying is almost accurate. You can see the temperature is dropping because I'm not blocking it. If I start blocking it, the temperature quickly goes up. So at an open end, We have an air temperature of about 60 plus degrees, which is not too bad. I think it's hot enough to dry our hair. If you need anything hotter, buy a heat gun. So guys, this completes my unboxing and sort of a review of this hairdryer. You can go ahead and buy this. I'll leave a link in the description. And okay. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.